Hello students, today we will do chapter 16, Day and Night. Shobinta wakes up at a quarter to 7 every morning. What differences do you see in two pictures? What causes these differences? We live on the earth. The earth gets light from the sun. The earth's shape is like that of every large ball. Therefore, light from the sun does not reach the entire earth at one and on the same time. Half of the earth gets sunlight while the other half remains dark. We say that it is day in the half that gets light, while in the other half where sunlight does not reach, it is night. Every day we see day chasing night and then night chasing day. Night comes after day and then day follows night. This cycle goes on without stopping. What could be the reason for this? Just as the top spins about itself, the earth too turns around itself. So, the part of the earth that is getting sunlight goes into darkness and the part that is in darkness goes into the sunlight. Comes into the light. That is, where there is day, it becomes night after some time, and where there is night, it becomes day. Do you know, the sun rises in the east in the morning and moves towards the west. In the evening, the sun sets in the west, so we feel that the sun goes around the earth. But that is only an impression. Actually, the earth turns around itself. That is why we have day and night on the earth. This spinning of earth around itself is called rotation of the earth. The whole day has 24 hours, but are there always 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness? If that were true, we would have sunrise every morning, so 6 o'clock, and sunset every morning at 6 o'clock too. Let us see what really happens. Try this. Some calendars are given the times of sunrise and sunsets for every day. Take such a calendar for this year and use it to complete the following table. What do you see? In November, the sun rises a little later every day while it sets little earlier every day. In the morning of May, the sun rises a little earlier every day and sets a little later every day. What does this tell us? In November, the days become shorter and shorter, while nights become longer. In May, days become longer and longer, while the nights become shorter and shorter. Thus, we are now sure that the day and night are not 12 hours each all year round. Do you know, in the whole year, 22 March and 22 September are the only dates on which day and night are equal length, that is, of 12 hours each. On March 22, day and night are both 12 hours long. Then, in our part of the earth, daytime increases slowly and nighttime decreases. This goes on till June 21. On June 21, our day is the longest and the night is the shortest. From day 21 in our part of the earth, daytime becomes shorter and shorter and nights become longer. This goes on till September 22. On September 22, our day is of 12 hours and night too is of 12 hours. After that, the days continue to become shorter, the nights become longer. This goes till December 22. On December 22, our night is the longest and the day is the shortest. From December 22, the day grows longer and the night shorter. This goes on till March 22. From March 22, this cycle repeats itself. Do you know, when the days are longer and the nights are shorter, it is summer. When the nights are longer and the days are shorter, it is winter. What we have learned: as the light of the sun does not reach the whole earth at the same time, there is daylight on half the earth while there is darkness on the other half. The earth spins around itself. So, the part that faces the sun goes into darkness and the part that is in the dark comes into the light. That is why we have day and night on the earth alternatively. The whole day has 24 hours, but in the whole year, only March 22 and September 22 do we have, both day and night for 12 hours each. From December to June, the day gets longer, while from June to December, the day gets shorter. Always remember, there is a connection between the seasons and the changing length of days and nights. Exercises: think and tell. On a new moon day, we cannot see the moon even though it is there in the sky. Why is it so? Why do birds return to their nest earlier in winter than in summer? Answer in brief. From where does the earth get light? What is the earth shaped like? When do we say that it is daytime? When do we say that it is night time? Describe the spinning of the earth, the cycle of day and night. Fill in the blanks. The whole day has dash hours. The sun appearing in the sky in the morning is called dash. The disappearance of the sun from the sky in evening is called dash. From March 22 till dash, our days become longer and nights shorter. True or false? The number of hours in a day and the night on March 22 are equal. In our part of the earth on June 21, the day is the longest and the night shortest. On September 22, the lengths of the day and nights are unequal. In our part of the earth on December 22, the day is the longest and the night is shortest. Thank you.